I apologize, Bill. I forgot to start it up and let you hear the engine. So let me go ahead and do this for you now. Just gonna prop my phone camera right here. Pardon me. All right, Bill, I hope that gives you a pretty good idea of what we're talking about. A little bit meaner exhaust than the norm, but boy, it's a fun car, definitely a fun car to drive. I look forward to assisting you, Bill. I will send this shortly. Jamie at Certified Benz and Beamer, 602-561-7672.